Suno AI tutorial. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's explore Suno AI, which is a free AI music generator, and we will be teaching you how you will be able to utilize and create your own music. As you can see on our screen, we're currently at the homepage and we could actually see all the kinds of music that people have made with this platform. As you can see, we have globally trending musics. As you can see here, there's even top or popular personas over here. Before we get started, let me play a few of these musics to give you an idea of Suno's capabilities. Keep in mind, it generated this song from scratch. It did not copy any script or any lyrics from an existing song. Although, of course, it's going to take from different sources. But let's listen to one of them. So, for example, let's go with a trending one over here. Let's go with this one over here. So simply click one of this.
Hey, yo,
and we should be able to listen to some sounds over here. So
well, I got to
you can see
Alright, let me say less and show more for the love of the game.
anyway. So it has a wide range of capabilities. You can see here on the right side, it generated its script and it has a very long script over here. So let me skip to the middle part. You can see it sounds really great. So anyway, let's get started. So over here on the left side, we have our different features over here. We have create, where we will be able to create our own songs. Library, where we will be able to check out our created songs. And then we have explore over here. Similarly to what we're seeing here, we're exploring different available options and search as well. And let's click on create over here so we could create our own model or other own song. So over here, the first thing that we're going to do is, of course, create a script or a prompt. That's the most basic thing that every AI is asking you. Give it a prompt and it will give you the output. Over here, this is where you're going to explain or describe the song that you want. You could also upload an audio over here that it could use as a basis. So if you have a specific song that you want to use or do you want it to use as a basis or a reference, you could also upload that. We also have some new versions over here, currently using the newest version, which is version 4 with the best vocal quality and song structures. You can also customize it to a certain sense over here, custom mode, as you can see, where you write down your thoughts and click make random lyrics over here. So let me zoom out over here. So over here, you will be able to put in your own songs, whether it's a full song or you could also write with Suno. You could also modify the style of music, personas, and title. But these ones are a bit for a plan or subscription type of account. So let's go with a normal one for now. Over here, you could select your classic lyric model, which will generate your lyrics, as you can see here. But anyway, let's put up our song over here. So let's go with a very cool one. So let's say a Billie Eilish style of song talking about cat breakup or cat breaking up with its girlfriend, cat. Now, there should be more complex prompts, of course, but this is just for fun. I just want to create a narrative, a style that I want the song to be in, and the focus of the lyric. Now, you should be as descriptive as you can because it will allow you to generate the type of music that you will be able to do. Because there's limited credits to this, by the way. You can't create unlimited audio or music every time you want because there's limited credits over here. As you can see, there's a limit of 50 credits. It will take a few credits every time you generate a song. So be careful with your prompt. If you are trying to create a song, make sure that you make the most out of your first prompt. Over here, it also describes, or we have a guide here on how our prompt should be. So describe the style of music and the topic you want. You could also have acoustic pop and stuff like that. You could use genres and vibes instead of specific artists and songs. But for me, I utilized a specific artist over here. And we all know her style. But anyway, so we're going to go with that. And I also enabled instrumental over here. So we have some intro before the songs. And We could also get some guides here, as you can see. If you have no idea or you're a bit lost with what you're going to prompt it to do, you have some personas or persons over here. Make a song about your mom, partner, best friend, special occasion, moods, activity, and so on and so forth. Over here, you could utilize this as a guide. Anyway, let's get started. Simply click on create over here and it will begin our creation. So this is going to take a bit, as you can see here, since it's an entire song, it's going to generate your lyrics, your voice, your music, all of those stuff. It's going to generate, as you can see. So it might take a while. So give it a few minutes and it will be able to generate us our song. Now, while waiting for this, there we go. We also have one down already. We finished one. And there's our second. So let's listen to our first one. Going to load. Oh, I see. So I misspoke earlier. The instrumental was not the instrumental that I was meaning to explain. The instrumental means that it is all about, there's no lyrics. It's just going to be instrumental elements or instruments being played in the background. The instrumental definition for me is a bit wrong. In my definition, the instrumental would be the initial part of the song before the lyrics. But anyway, let's disable that and let's create another one over here. Hopefully with a lyrics this time. So let's give it a few moments here. Now, while waiting for this, let's check out their plans over here, as you can see. So currently, we're using the basic plan, which is the free version, where we get 50 credits and it is renewed daily. You are able to generate 10 songs, which is actually a lot. And there's non-commercial items, non-credit top-ups, there's shared generation queue, and there's 2 running jobs at once. So that's why we were generating 2 items here at once. They have Pro Plan, Premier Plan, and there's also Student Plan over here that is available. For the Pro Plan, for just $10, as you can see here, you're able to create so many songs, about up to 500 songs over here, and so many benefits over here. So you're not losing, or you're getting so much out of that $10. And similarly for $10 or $30 over here, so much credits, so many songs that you could generate. Let's go back here. Let's play one of our songs. As you can see right now, there's lyrics this time over here on the right side. So let me play this and let's make the most out of this with our time.
Claws out in the moonlight, whiskers twitch with spite. Midnight's cold and lonely since you left me broken only. Scratched my heart and walked away. Fur was flying every day. Now the alleys whisper and sighs as these feline tears arise.
So that's basically it, guys. You could see that we were able to create an amazing song using Suno AI. It's very simple, very straightforward. We did not do anything complicated. Even with the simple prompt over here, the basic prompt, we were able to generate an amazing output over here. So that's basically it, guys. If you want to enjoy and try out Suno for yourself, just visit suno.com and create your own music at your own time. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.